Namaste. I'm Alakananda, Ayurvedic doctor and principal of Alandi Ayurveda Gurukula, an Ayurveda school in Boulder, Colorado. Last week, we discussed 5 key aphrodisiac foods. Following on from that, today I'd like to talk about 10 aphrodisiac fruits. Let's start with coconut. This wonderful food is a tonic, nourishes and builds the tissues of the body, and is also aphrodisiac. Relish coconut laddu or coconut barfi, both of which are pretty easy to make and combine the aphrodisiac benefits of coconut, milk and cardamom. Or for a vegan treat with no added sugar, make coconut date balls, and I'll put links to all of those recipes in the description. You can also enhance the beauty of your hair by massaging your scalp with coconut oil and letting it soak in for about half an hour before washing your hair. And you can hydrate with coconut water, which alleviates burning urination as well. Second on our list is apple. Not for nothing is apple mentioned in the Song of Solomon. Sustain me with cakes of raisins, refresh me with apples, for I am sick with love. And of course, Paris of Troy presented the golden apple to Aphrodite, goddess of love, setting in motion the cascade of events that led to the Trojan Wars. Apples are nourishing and building and are a good sexual tonic, especially for men. Try eating an apple dipped in honey, followed by a cup of warm milk spiced with cardamom and saffron. This remedy combines the sexually rejuvenative effects of apple, milk, honey, cardamom, and saffron. You could use almond milk for a vegan alternative. You can also make honey apple pulp. Peel and core 5 apples and blend them to a pulp. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cardamom, a pinch each of saffron and nutmeg, 10 drops of rose water, and some honey to taste. Enjoy this treat an hour after your supper to support your sexual energy and help overcome problems like premature ejaculation. Third, pears. My dad loved to make expressionist still life paintings featuring pears. Their voluptuous shape suggests their aphrodisiac properties. Known in Sanskrit as Amrita Balam, fruit of immortality or nectar fruit, pears were revered in ancient India and China as a symbol of immortality. In Roman mythology, they were sacred to Juno, the mother, Venus, the goddess of love, and Pomona, goddess of fruitful abundance and orchards. When pears are in season, be sure to include them in your diet. You can also share a delicious pear treat with your beloved, such as pear rabri or pear barfi, both of which combine the aphrodisiac benefits of pear, milk, and cardamom. And again, I'll put links to those recipes in the description. Fourth, we have apricot, a wonderful building and aphrodisiac fruit, rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Eat fresh or dried apricots with your beloved, or enjoy a healthy treat of apricot bliss balls rolled in crushed pistachios. Fifth, watermelon, another tonic and aphrodisiac fruit. Enjoy a slice of watermelon with a pinch of cardamom, or drink watermelon juice. For the greatest Viagra-like effect of watermelon, though, you need to eat the rind, which contains the vasodilator citrulline, used in the body's nitric oxide system. In India, nothing goes to waste, and watermelon rind is cooked and curried as a vegetable. Number 6, Banana, another renowned building and aphrodisiac fruit, and a source of antioxidants such as glutathione, delphinidin, and rutin. In India, the entrance to the wedding hall is flanked with banana plants. For a delicious pick-me-up, chop together 2 bananas, 5 figs, 5 dates, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Add a pinch of cardamom and 2 pinches of ginger powder. 7. Grapes. In Greek mythology, grapes have their very own god, Dionysius, who is the original vintner and the disseminator of the art of viniculture. He wandered around conducting this mission, accompanied by wild and intoxicated maenads. He must have made his way to India, because grapes have been cultivated there for thousands of years and feature in the Ayurvedic texts. Sweet and astringent varieties like Concord grapes are favored in Ayurveda. For low libido and sexual debility, combine a cup of diluted Concord grape juice, a pinch of pipali or long pepper, and half a teaspoon of turbinado sugar. For vata, there's a special herb you can add, ashwagandha, another special herb for pitta, shatavari. Half a teaspoon of ashwagandha for vata, half a teaspoon of shatavari for pitta, and drink this an hour before bedtime. And as number 8, here comes my favorite, the king of fruits, mango. Mango is comforting, tonic, a heart tonic, aphrodisiac, and a semen promoter. Enjoy well-ripened mangoes in season. I'm so excited that mango season will be starting soon. You can blend mango and warm cardamom milk together, or eat a sliced mango and follow it with a cup of warm cardamom milk or saffron milk. Mango mixed with milk calms vata and pitta, is tasty, nourishing, tonic, aphrodisiac, and improves complexion. It is sweet and cooling. And number 9, melon. I'm getting my fingers mixed up. In Ayurveda, melon is seen as a nourishing tonic and aphrodisiac. It's a wonderful source of vitamin C, folate, and vitamin K, as well as being rich in antioxidants. When they're in season, enjoy a nourishing breakfast of fresh melon. Don't waste the rind. You can apply it to your face to tone the skin and heal acne. Our 10th and last aphrodisiac fruit is pomegranate. Spilling over with fertility in the form of rich ruby red seeds, pomegranate is a symbol of Divine Mother and of the Madonna, as beautifully portrayed by Botticelli in his painting, Madonna of the Pomegranate. Pomegranate is nourishing, rejuvenating, and promotes semen production. Enjoy a glass of pomegranate juice daily to increase libido, and it will lift your mood as well. With so many wonderful fruits to delight our senses and nourish our bodies and minds, we have an array of delicious aphrodisiac options throughout the year. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to share, comment. I'll respond to comments, and we'll see you next week. Namaste.